Namaste. Uh, I have been Gaurav Goyal from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic at PD in the Department of Diagnostic and Community Health in the TCP Radiology from Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, we are going to discuss session that is particularly important for radiotherapy treatment and planning. Okay, and their applications. So it is important session for the BCRD exam student to understand about radiotherapy. Hmm. So today's session is parallel approach field. The simplest combination of the two fields is a pair of fields directed along the same axis from the opposite sides of the treatment volume. The advantage of the parallel opposed field are the simplicity and the reproducibility of setup, homogeneous dose to the tumor, and less chance of geometrical miss. Geometrical miss means dose delivered to the surrounding tissue due to movement, geometrical miss, or due to uncertainty or undesired dose. Compared with angle view. Okay, given that the field size is large enough to provide adequate lateral coverage of the tumor volume, a disadvantage is the excessive dose to the normal tissues and critical organs above the above the above and below the tumor. Okay. Okay. A composite isodose distribution for a pair of parallel approach fields may be obtained by adding the depth dose distribution of each field. The resultant distribution shows the combined isodose distribution normalized to the individual beam weight. The beams are usually weighed in those units of 100 at the depth of Dmax. In the case of SSG, the technique or at uh, uh, technique or at the isocenter technique or the isocenter for the isocenter technique. For example, the minimum percentage isodose surrounding the tumor is 110. This means the minimum dose to the tumor uh, generous margin is 110 centigrade are delivered to the depth of Dmax by each field. Thus, if the tumor dose were to be specified at the isodose level or isodose level one 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 could calculate the Dmax dose of the treatment time for the each field. For the isocentric plant, the beam weight refers to the doses delivered to the isocenter, as the 190 centigrade isodose curve represents the specified minimum dosage level if each beam delivered 100 centigrade at the isocenter. Okay, so in simple language, we are uh, going to understand about the parallel opposed field. First one, advantage. Advantage is the simplicity and reproducibility of setup. Homogeneous close to the tumor, less chance of geometrical miss compared with angled view. Okay, field size is large enough to provide adequate lateral coverage of the tumor volume. Disadvantage: excessive close to the normal tissues and critical organs. Composite isotope distribution for a pair of parallel opposed field. Okay, so these are the advantage, disadvantage, parallel opposed field, and about the parallel opposed field. So in the parallel opposed field, the beam size or field size say in both both direction beam. Okay, both direction में angle same और जो and the field is same. Okay, but in different direction the beam is delivered. In CT simulator, we have studied about 4 steps of the simulation. For 50th step of the CT simulation is volumetric data acquired from two ways. First one is 3D volumetric data, 4D volumetric. 3D volumetric data means 3D radiation therapy simulation allows multiple cross-section CT slices of the patient with a graphic display of the 3D anatomy of both normal tissues and tumor bearing region. 4D volumetric data. 4D imaging is a complete data set that contains images from each portion of the breathing cycle. Last one is the image used to determine tumor normal organ motion. Okay, so the result that is produced after CT simulation. The CT images excellent soft tissue contrast, allowing for greatly improved tumor localization and defining in comparison to conventional simulator. Okay, conventional simulator. Patient patient contour may be obtained easily from CT data. In a particular, the patient skin contains target and any organ of the interest. Okay, any OAR, organ of interest. Okay, electron density information useful in the calculation of the dose in homogeneity due to the different composition of the human tissue. The target volume and its position are identified with a relative case of each CT site. So in this session, we had discussed about the CT simulation, how the CT simulation is useful in the planning, how the simulation process um, how the simulation process occurs at the treatment planning or for treatment planning. So I think the information of the CT simulation is useful for the student of radiotherapy in pancreatic success. So today's session is CT simulator. CT simulator, uh, it is used for the treatment planning of the in radiotherapy. So what is CT simulator? Dedicated CT scanner for use in radiotherapy treatment simulator and planning are known as CT simulator. Okay, the CT scanner is used to acquire a volumetric CT scan of a patient which represents a virtual or digital patient. The CT simulation software provides virtual representation of the geometrical capacity of a treatment machine. Okay, component of the CT simulator is executive board CT scanner with an opening of up to 85 centimeter, detector system, collimator and attenuator, patient couch, laser, computer and workstation, control console. These are the components that is equipped in a CT simulator. Patient position and immobilization accessories used during CT simulation and treatment. First one is the thermoplastic offset cast. Second is the wet lock, AIA base plate, knee rest, headrest, shoulder, traction tube, form waist. Procedure. The procedure, first point of the procedure is patient positioning and immobilization. The precision required for beam delivery. Precision required for beam delivery. Patient, the precision required for beam delivery. Patient may or may not require an external uh, immobilization device for their treatment. Okay. Next one is the immobilization devices improve the reproducibility and rigidity of setup. Reference markers. During the CT scan, a set of reference marks must be placed on the patient so the patient can be positioned on the treatment machine. Anatomical landmark that is given. Okay. Okay. That during the CT scan, the set of the reference marking must be placed on the patient so that the patient can be positioned on the treatment machine. Okay. So the scan protocol energy select. Next one is slice thickness. Next one is slice spacing, spiral pitch, field of view. This protocol depends upon disease and anatomy. Contrast. For several treatment sites, contrast can be used to help differentiate between tumor and surrounding healthy tissue. IV fluid is commonly used as a contrast. Volumetric data acquired from two ways. First one is the 3D volumetric data, 3D radiation therapy simulation. Thank you. The session is over. I think you are satisfied with the session. If you have any queries, then put it into the comment box. I will resolve it later. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0. Jai Hind, Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur.